are back with one of our favorite beauty experts. She's got the must-have holiday gifts of the season. So please welcome back the founder of TheBeautyGirl.com, Nicole Pearl. Hi, Nicole. Hi. Let's get right to it. Really happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
We got a lot of stuff to get through in a short amount of time, but let's start off with the person who loves skincare.
Yes, I have such a great gift for the skincare lover. This is from Strivectin. It is their Firming Favorites Kit, and it contains the TL Advanced Tightening Neck Cream Plus, which is the #1 selling neck cream in the U.S. We all need a neck cream, as well as the tightening and sculpting face. A gift set is a great value, so I love this for the skincare lover.
Right, that is a good gift. And yeah, you're right, because people concentrate on their face, they forget their neck.
Such an important area. It's one of the first places to age.
All right, well, we know Victoria's Secret. That's always a fun place to shop.
So for the fragrance lover, I love these Luxe fragrance gift sets. You can choose from one of their 7 best-selling sets. And so there's really something for everyone on your list.
Oh, yeah, that and the teenagers, too. They like that, too. All right, what do you have here?
Well, if you hate Chicago winters, you will love Bare Soles, because these are inserts that go into any shoe and create instant insulation and arch support. They are so cozy. They're the best gift idea. They come for men and women, and for men up to size 15. These are just fantastic.
Are they that, like,
you gotta
fluffy,
feel them.
soft? Oh.
Makes
and you can put this in any shoe?
Yes, and you just cut it to fit, and it feels super luxurious. Of course you can.
Wow. This, I won't say that other brand, but it mimics.
Yes, and so it allows you to buy a shoe that may not have all the faux finishings, but then you can create it yourself.
You see that? Oh, yeah, this would make anything. Do you have to wear socks when you wear these kind of shoes?
No, I love to go barefoot.
Okay, I do too, but I always wonder if that's the right thing to do. It doesn't matter.
It does not matter.
All right, cool.
So moving on, I love a good advent calendar because it's a gift that keeps on giving. And Opia has the most adorable nail polish mini 25-pack advent calendar. So inside, you will see so many little mini nail polishes from the Hello Kitty collection, along with some of their favorites like Bubble Bath and Simone Sands. So such a fun gift that always gives.
Oh, I love that. And I love that it's Hello Kitty inspired.
I know, it's so cute, so good for women of all ages, 13 to 30, who knows, you know?
Yeah, oh God, I remember growing up on Hello Kitty. That's my wheelhouse too.
Now we also have to pay attention to the men in our lives. So
do we? Not kidding. Yes, we do. Yes,
Kiehl's
we do.
is a great go-to, and they have their men's Groom on the Go gift set. And I think it's a great introduction to skincare because it contains their cleanser, exfoliator, their known facial fuel moisturizer. So a really good skincare collection for men. It's very approachable.
Right. Now, does that have a fragrance, or is it fragrance free?
They have, well, the fragrance free and very like approachable, but they do also have other collections with different, they have colognes, they have everything.
They have everything, and that's a really good brand and very hydrating every time I've used it.
Yes, and they also do great things like they give back as well to different charities and so forth, so I like to support that.
I do too. All right,
so
good
next,
stuff.
for the makeup lover, I love this palette from Urban Decay. It is the Party Favor Moon Dust palette. This has the most gorgeous shades. They've got this pearlescent finish. It's this iridescent sparkle. You have to try it on your hands. So, so you can really see how it shimmers onto your hands. All of these colors, it creates this metallic 3D effect. It just makes your lids shine. You can put it along your lash line for a hint of twinkle, but it's really 6 gorgeous shades that you will love for the makeup lover.
Can you see that?
So it's really beautiful.
Oh, that's
you can
pretty.
put it in your eyes. So fun for a holiday party as well.
Look at that.
And then the other product that I have to tell you about, if you are an experienced makeup person, you will love this from Lashify. This is their award-winning DIY lash extension treatment. So these are lashes that you put on underneath your lash line. That's what
you can do it yourself.
You can do it yourself. This kit contains everything you need. I've done it. I love it. These lashes last for up to 7 days. Celebrities also love this kit. And so it creates a seamless bond, and it works on any eye shape. And you can choose, there's so many beautiful lashes. This is a high quality lash extension treatment kit. I recommend it.
Oh, that's amazing.
And I know you like your lashes, so you'll like those.
Really, Lashify. Yeah, because I've been seeing all of these. I'm trying to peek over there at them. Wow, those look amazing. And you could just put them on yourself.
You can put them on yourself. One of the key things that it includes is like this gripper, and so it makes it really easy. So you don't have to be a makeup artist in order to create that look.
Very good point.
That's important.
All right.
Now, this is for the ultimate beauty girl, because this is coveted on many people's list right now. This is the Dyson Airwrap Styler. This
I just saw that recently.
It's very popular and it's coveted. So this not only dries your hair, but it straightens and curls it. It comes with 6 attachment heads. It has a intelligent heat technology, so you'll never burn your hair. And this is really one item that will take care of all the hot tools you need. So it's really cool to use. And it is definitely a luxury item to splurge on for this holiday season.
That's for someone really special on your list who's been really good, not naughty this year. Well, Nicole, thank you so much. And if you need more information about any of the products that you saw here today, go to Nicole's Instagram page at Nicole Pearl 1. Nicole, happy holidays.
Same to you.